The new goodie box. KAVU. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, see those guys. They even put a protective cardboard in there. Look at the goodies. Oh boy. Oh, you guys are gonna be psyched. Look at this. They included stuff for you guys too. Oh, look at this. Kara, check out the new rope bag.
Oh, nice.
Here, come here. Sticker packs for the airplane.
Dad, it just went dark.
That's okay. It goes dark because it saves on the power for the screen, but it's still recording. Yes.
Awesome.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
New sticker packs. Look at this. These are new.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, some new stickers. A Naya-sized rope bag. Look at that.
Nice.
And then, what is this?
Lunch.
Snack sack. Naya's looking at me like she wants this for her lunch. I don't know though. That's pretty nice. Whoa. That. Oh, look at that.
Oh, cute.
It's 95 degrees out, but that makes me excited.
Fall's coming.
I love it. I might have to keep that one for myself. Oh, that one's cool. Whose is this?
Oh, that's awesome.
This one might be mine too.
We'll see.
We'll see, she says. Oh, look at this. Whose is this? This one's, what size is it? Oh, it's mine. Look.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Adventure. Team Unicorn.
Ooh. Those are my favorite.
Because
Awesome.
who doesn't want to be
Ooh, I
on
like that
Team
one.
Unicorn? This makes me happy. I love it. Oh yeah. Classic KAVU. Oof. Awesome. Wear that in the airplane. Oh, I might have to wear this one in the airplane too. Whoa.
Oh, rad.
Yeah, this one might be my new favorite. Maybe. They're all my favorite.
Oh, that's rad.
Classy, a little classier when I need to keep it classy. It's all classy, but that one's pretty good. Oh, yeah. This always
Nice.
reminds me of the special hat that T. Lee has where the KAVU patch is sewn on upside
Oh, yeah.
down.
Mm-hmm.
Want. Another one, different color, little
Yeah,
Carhartt
that's-
action. What's this? Oh, that looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I like that. All the new tees. I have to wear that one right now. I'm gonna put this one aside. Wow, it's getting classier and classier. All right. That's some keychains. Okay. I'm going. They're telling me to open faster. All right, I got some cool keychains. We got some space print. Yep, another lunchbox. Milky Way. This is for you, maybe. Oh. How did they know it was my year? Look at that. Where
Not when you were born.
Not when I was, well, okay. Easy. It's the year I graduated high school. It's the year Jacob Glass was born, which always makes me feel old. Oh man, some of this stuff is super nice. Look at this.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
I need all the help I can get. Look at this. Forest grid. Man, I like their colors, but this one's dope.
Oh, that's rad.
Isn't that beautiful?
Mhm.
Wow. It's heavy too.
Mhm.
XX large. Damn. They think I am. Not T-Rod. Need grease. XX large. I think they might have meant to send that to. Oof.
Oh, that's nice.
That's cool. Zipper. And a
Oh,
hood.
nice. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's sick. Alright, this one we gotta keep on the side. It snaps too. I hope they put another one in there. Oh. Oh, those guys. Look at that. They sent one for both of you guys to fit in and for me to fit in. Maybe I'll give that one to my dad. But he would be psyched. Look at that.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Oh. Look at this.
Nice.
Whoa. Nice. Beautiful. Stretch sides. What you?
No, nice. Tell me I'm annoying.
Nice telling me you're annoying. What's this? Power pouch. Who doesn't need a power pouch? Oh, you know what this is? This is sweet. This is a tool pouch. I'm gonna put screwdrivers and tools in this for the plane. Power pouch. A couple more t-shirts. I've been digging on the new shirts. Oh wow, that's sick.
Nice.
I like that. Maybe we can do some theme of that.
Mhm.